Imagine the end of your day, the noise slowing, lights softening, your body finally exhaling from the pace of it all. The world asks for nothing more, but inside, your blood is still carrying the rhythm of every meal, every stress, every thought that rushed through you. And though you can't see it, something powerful is happening beneath the quiet. Your body is trying to find balance. Your blood sugar, that invisible fuel of life, is stabilizing or spiking, depending on what you do next. And this is where one simple night habit can change everything. Because what you do before you sleep determines how your body repairs, how your hormones behave, and how steady your energy will be when morning light returns. For years, we've been told that blood sugar management is all about what happens during the day. The carbs, the gym, the snacks. But your nights are the secret architects of your mornings. What you do in the last hour before bed can mean the difference between waking foggy and inflamed or waking calm, focused, and alive. Here's the truth. Your blood sugar doesn't go to sleep when you do. It follows your evening choices like a shadow. Late night eating, endless scrolling, unbroken stress. They keep your liver releasing glucose, your insulin spiking, your metabolism confused. But one small ritual can restore order to that chaos. A gentle nighttime balance practice. Part nourishment, part stillness, part chemistry. It begins with something deceptively simple. A short evening walk after dinner. Just 10 to 15 minutes of movement. Slow, mindful, unhurried. The science is breathtakingly clear. When you walk after eating, your muscles act like sponges, drawing glucose from your blood to use as fuel. This simple act reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes by up to 30%. You're not exercising to burn calories. You're partnering with your body to stabilize energy. And as your blood sugar steadies, your insulin levels drop naturally, signaling to your body that it's safe to rest, not store. That's how healing begins, not in exhaustion, but in rhythm. Now add the second part of this night habit, a balancing drink. Warm water with a splash of apple cider vinegar or cinnamon tea. Studies show that apple cider vinegar, taken before bed, can lower fasting blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity overnight. Cinnamon does something similar, slowing carbohydrate absorption and helping your cells respond better to glucose. But beyond the science, there's something ritualistic about it. The warmth tells your nervous system it's time to unwind. You sip slowly, feeling the body shift from doing to digesting. And then the third part, maybe the most important of all, disconnection. Not from people, but from the flicker of screens that tell your brain it's still daylight. Blue light delays melatonin, the sleep hormone, and sleep is where your blood sugar repair truly happens. While you rest, your body rebalances insulin, repairs cells, and burns stored glucose for energy. Even one night of poor sleep can raise insulin resistance by 20–30%. That's why the habit isn't just movement or tea, it's space. Space from stimulation, space to let the body remember its rhythm. If you combine those three, a slow walk, a warm balancing drink, and digital quiet, you'll feel the shift within days. You'll sleep deeper, wake lighter, crave less sugar, think clearer. It's not magic. It's biochemistry in harmony. When you lower blood sugar naturally at night, your cortisol, stress hormone, also drops, your liver stores less fat, and your cells start using energy efficiently again. You break the silent cycle of night spikes, that invisible storm that leaves you waking up tired despite 8 hours in bed. But here's something deeper. The emotional side of this habit. Because imbalance isn't just physical. Many of us eat late not out of hunger, but out of depletion, looking for comfort at the end of long days. A sweet snack, a handful of chips, a bowl of cereal. They're not about craving, they're about closure. Yet the real closure your body seeks is rest, not sugar. When you end your night with stillness and warmth instead of sweetness and stress, you teach your brain a new language, one where peace replaces craving. That's not just metabolism healing, that's nervous system healing. And yes, the science supports it all. Research shows that a 10-minute post-dinner walk lowers blood sugar more effectively than a longer walk taken earlier in the day. Apple cider vinegar before bed improves fasting glucose levels in people with insulin resistance. Cinnamon, rich in polyphenols, reduces oxidative stress that contributes to diabetes and fatigue. Together, they work like a quiet symphony, one that plays in your bloodstream while you sleep. But the magic isn't in perfection, it's in consistency. You don't need to overhaul your life, you just need to reclaim your evenings as rituals of calm. Think of it as preparation for healing, not restriction. No matter how your day went, what you ate, what you missed, what you rushed, your night can still reset you. The body forgives easily when you give it rhythm. Try this tonight. After dinner, step outside. Feel the air. Walk slowly. No phone, no podcast, just your breath. When you return, pour warm water. Stir in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or a pinch of cinnamon. Sit somewhere quiet. Sip. Let the warmth spread through your stomach, your chest, your mind. Turn off the lights a little earlier than usual. Breathe deeply. Let sleep come as medicine, not escape. Within a week, you'll notice. Your mornings will feel cleaner. Hunger will come gently, not urgently. Your skin will glow with better circulation. Your mood will stabilize. You won't just balance blood sugar, you'll balance yourself. Because balance doesn't happen through force. It happens through rhythm, through repetition, through care. This is the beauty of the body. It's always listening. Every night habit is a conversation, and when you tell it, you're safe, you can rest, you can heal. It listens. So tonight, before you scroll or snack, remember, you hold the switch. You can dim the light, steady the breath, and remind your body of what it already knows. Balance isn't complicated, it's consistent. Walk, sip, breathe, sleep. That's the rhythm of renewal. Stay gentle, stay steady, stay glowing. This is Vital Dynasty.